This tutorial explores some of the shortcut keys available to manage open windows in Windows 10. The focus is on open windows, in other words, active applications. Let's open a few applications in different windows. All these windows opened as normal windows, meaning its dimensions won't fill the entire screen. A normal window can be moved, resized, minimized or maximized. To move a window, left-click in the title bar at the top of the window and drag it to a different position. To resize, position the cursor on any border of the window. When it changes to bidirectional arrows, drag the border with the left button in any direction. When you click on a window, that window with its application moves to the front and becomes the current active window. Minimized means the window disappears off the screen, although the application in the window remains active. When you open an application, Windows displays an icon for it on the taskbar. Icons on the taskbar for open applications are indicated with an underscore. To minimize the current active application, click on its icon on the taskbar. Clicking on the same icon again restores the application's window to its previous state. To minimize the active application from inside its open window, click the underscore icon located in the upper right side of the window. To maximize the window again, click on the applications icon in the taskbar. If you need to declutter your screen, minimizing can help. However, if you're not going to use an application for a long time, it's better to close it. To close the current active window, click on the X in the top right corner. To close an active application that was minimized, hover on the icon in the taskbar and click on the X that is displayed above the icon. Maximizing an application's window expands it to the size of your desktop screen. A maximized window occupies the entire screen space available, except for the taskbar at the bottom. To maximize a window, click the square icon located in the upper right side of the window. Once a window is maximized, the maximize icon changes to two overlapping squares. Click on this icon to return it to a normal window. The application's title bar can be used to maximize its window. Double-click on the application's title bar. Double-click again to restore it to the normal size. The application's title bar has a hidden menu that can be used to move, resize, minimize or maximize windows. Right-click on a Windows title bar to open the menu with the available options. This same menu can also be reached from the taskbar for applications with only one open window. Hover the cursor over its icon on the taskbar and right-click on the preview that appears just above the icon. If you opened multiple windows of the same application, hovering or clicking on its icon in the taskbar shows a preview of all opened windows for the application. Click on one of the previews to restore it and make it the active window. By default, applications are opened in normal windows. It can be changed to always open an application in a maximized window. The process varies slightly based on where the application shortcut is located. For icons on the desktop, right-click on the shortcut icon and select Properties from the drop-down menu that appears. Go to the Shortcut tab and select Maximized in the drop-down next to Run. Click on Apply and then on OK. You may need to close the application and open it again to activate the new setting. For icons on the taskbar, first right-click on the icon and then on the application's name that appears above the icon. Now follow the same process. Select Properties from the drop-down menu that appears, go to the Shortcut tab and select Maximized in the drop-down next to Run. Click on Apply and then on OK. There is a difference between windows and tabs. For example, have a look at an internet browser such as Google Chrome. It is open in one window, but I can open multiple tabs within the same Google Chrome window. In each of the tabs, I can open different websites and switch between them by clicking on the specific tab. A tab is closed by clicking on the X in the tab. If you click on the X of the window with all the tabs will be closed. We can now explore some of the shortcut keys that can be used to manage windows. To minimize all windows at once, press the Windows key plus M. To restore the minimized windows, press the Windows key plus Shift plus M. To minimize all open windows except the current active window, press the Windows key plus Home. Press Windows key plus Home again to restore the minimized windows. The same can be accomplished by left-click on the title bar and shake the mouse. This will also minimize all windows except the current active one. Repeat the mouse shake action to restore the minimized windows again. A very handy feature to organize open windows on the screen is using the Windows key with the arrow keys. This will move the window you are working on to either the top, the bottom, the left or the right side of the screen, so you can access other windows at the same time. Press the Windows key plus the up or the left or the right or the down arrow keys to move and snap windows to the top, the left, the bottom or the right of the screen. A quick method to switch to a different window is to press Alt-Tab. This switches the screen to Task View. Keep the Alt key depressed and press Tab until the wanted window is highlighted. Once you release the Alt key, that window will become the active window. The Windows key plus the Tab key will also open the tab view. You can now click on a specific window to make it the active window, or press the Windows key plus Tab again to return to the current active application. Finally, to quickly get back to your desktop screen, press the Windows key plus D. This will minimize all open windows and make your desktop the active window. Press the Windows key and D again to restore all the open windows that were minimized.